Hi guys, it's the second day in Krabi, and today, as you can see, I'm in the jungle or a forest. I don't know what makes it a forest and what makes it a jungle, but today we're kayaking through the jungle, and then I think it's a bit more open water with like mangroves and stuff. So that's the setup. We're about to get on them kayaks and yeah, float down the river or the canal that goes in between all these trees. We've been told to watch out because there's stuff in the water that you can get stuck on, but it should be fine. And I'm just worried about like snakes in the trees and stuff. I'm really excited to have a go, so yeah, let's get into it. This is pretty decent, but there are some pretty lousy kayakers that are getting in the way and just ramming into you. Like they just don't even attempt to slow down. It's just full speed. Hello. As you can see, that's a bloody mini waterfall. I don't know if you call it that, but let's not go down there. I'd recommend doing this if you come to Krabi. It's not that expensive. I booked through my hostel, and it's a kayaking experience, and with transfer it was 800 baht, which isn't the cheapest, but bloody look at it. Look at it. I'm actually sick at kayaking. Watch this. Most people would take it slow. Look at that. Now at the ferry terminal in Krabi, and we're walking to the boat. So I can just see the boat through that little gap there. We're excited to get on it. Like that the night before as well, isn't it? We are now in the Phi Phi Islands. As you can see, I went out last night on the Phi Phi Island. We did a viewpoint as well. It's a great day getting the ferry from Krabi and then just exploring a bit of the island. I'm here for one more night, and today I'm going on a boat tour. The boat tour takes us around spots on Phi Phi Island, like Maya Bay, the spot where the film The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio was filmed. But yeah, I'm really excited, so yeah, let's do it. So this is Monkey Beach. You're not supposed to look in their eyes, I don't think. I'm going to do it and see what happens. Can't lie, I thought there'd be more monkeys, but there's a couple there. Well busy as well. So I'd recommend doing the tour in the morning if you're going to do one, because I did the 2 PM one because I was out last night. It's so busy. Look at the size of the falls. That's so big. You've got massive falls, mate.
This is a climbable rock.
That's not very ethical. He just gave me the cigarette. Funny, but also probably not the best thing to do.
He's drinking out the bottom of it.
Oh, is he doing it wrong?
But it's
Oh, it's still going out.
He's made a hole.
Genius.
Look how you're going. It looks so nice and sunny over that side as well.
Pretty bloody naughty. So this is Maya Beach in Phi Phi. Got the boat here. This is where the film The Beach was filmed with Leonardo DiCaprio. So if you've seen that film, this is where it was. Pretty gorgeous.